Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up schedule for COMFEE dehumidifier. To do this, first we'll need to click on the three dots in the top right corner of the app, then you'll be able to find the schedule. You can click on it and then add schedule. Now you can set the on and off schedule, turn on schedule or turn off schedule. Let's go for the first one. And here we can set the time when it should turn on automatically. We can also set the time when it should turn off automatically. After that we can change if it should repeat that or do we want it only once. If we want to repeat that, we can set it to weekdays, every day, or a custom. In custom you'll be able to pick any day from the week or all of them, or a custom number of days that it will work on. Then we can set our setting. That means you can change the target humidity and change the fan speed as well. When everything is ready, we also have a label. That means the name for that schedule, and if you rename it, we can click on the save and the schedule should show up right here. You can enable or disable it. We can also click edit button to remove the schedule. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.